The world's first nanotech pain patch, developed specifically for relieving pain. Crowdfunded in 143 minutes, millions in sales, and hundreds of thousands of happy customers that all have one thing in common: less pain. But don't take our word for it. Here's what our customers are saying.
It's way better. I can't believe that. What is this?
Kind of weird.
It is weird.
This is like witchcraft.
It has been a total life changer for me.
Thank you so much.
It doesn't hurt. Yay!
Yay!
Hi, I'm Emma, a wife, mother, daughter of 2 incredible parents, a homeowner, and a 10-year victim of back pain. If there's one thing we have in common, it's pain. Dull pain, sharp pain, chronic pain, can't walk, can't talk, can't smile, can't sleep, back pain, knee pain, head pain, nerve pain, pain in the neck, pain in the side, pain in the... pain. Okay, enough about the P word. We all know that pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. It's time to flip the switch on pain. Let's talk solutions.